Hello everyone, today I want to talk about one of the techniques used by physiotherapy, which is known as soft tissue manipulation. What is soft tissue manipulation? Soft tissue manipulation is a type of manual physical therapy in the form of massage. But soft tissue manipulation is different from general massage. Soft tissue manipulation is a specific assessment, evaluation and treatment of soft tissue such as ligament, muscle, tendon and fascia in order to create a beneficial effect on the nervous, musculoskeletal, limb and the circulatory system. But the general massage is only to kneading and rubbing the muscle and joint to relieve the tension. To perform the soft tissue manipulation technique, it requires a significant amount of training in human anatomy and physiology and understanding in how manipulating the tissue will impact the physical function. Next, what is the benefit of the soft tissue manipulation? First, soft tissue manipulation help in pain reduction. Second, help improve the mobility and the flexibility of body. Help improve the blood circulation in the treated area. Fourth, help in the reduction of the soft tissue tension. There are many types of stroke in the soft tissue manipulation. The first stroke that I want to talk about is the effleurage technique. The effleurage is a light friction technique that is commonly used at the beginning and at the ending of the massage treatment. The effleurage technique can also be used to spread massage lubricant at the treated area. The effleurage is a beneficial technique that can help increase the healing by improving the blood circulation in the body. By applying an outward stroke towards the heart, it helps the circulatory system to return the blood to the heart and lung to be re-oxygenated. Then the heart will pump the blood that has been oxygenated by the lung to the all part of the body through the arteries. The second stroke that I will tell you about is the petrissage technique. Petrissage technique is an effective massage technique in which a deep pressure is applied to the tissue and the underlying muscle. Using the petrissage technique, we can apply a deep pressure and squeezing technique to free up the movement of the tissue and the muscle, which help treating the muscle knot. It is why sometimes people will feel good after a massage because the muscle knot has been released. Lastly, the tapotement technique. The tapotement technique is a specific technique that is used in the Swedish massage. It's involved in the rhythmic tapping or patting of the soft tissue structure, commonly administered using a cup hand or striking with the outside edge of the hand. There are 5 types of tapotement: beating, which a closed fist lightly hitting the area; slapping, using the finger to gently slap; hacking, which use the edge of the hand on the pinky finger side; tapping, using the fingertips; and cupping, to make your hand look like a cup and gently tap the area. The tapotement technique can stimulate the nerve ending, aid in decongestion and increase the local blood flow. It can also tone the atrophy muscle and relieve pain.